Earlier this week, I was at a mechanic's workshop and I saw a young boy running like a snake was chasing him. Shortly after then, I saw a police officer running after him too. Before I could say jack, the policeman arrested him and said, "You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can't be used against you in the court of law." Omoyami, that statement is not just a cliche. Your constitution actually guarantees you the right to remain silent. Don't say ping if you are arrested or detained until you have consulted with your lawyer or anybody of your choice. Now, this right to remain silent stems out of your right to liberty. What is liberty? Is liberty not an area in Ibadan? Kolade, keep quiet. Liberty is simply your freedom from physical restraint. So your constitution guarantees you freedom from physical restraint. But normal level now, you know there will be exceptions. So number one exception is if a judge has sentenced you to prison. You know prison is synonymous to restraint from physical movement, right? Number two, a judge don't order to make you do something. You said, "I no go do am. After all, it's not God." Omoyami, your movement can be restrained if you disobey a court order. Number three, if police or any law enforcement agents believe that you have committed an offense and they need to arrest you, detain you for the purpose of their investigation, it's not be said that your right has been violated. Kolade, you are not yet 18. You want to be rolling with the big boys. Omoyami, your movement may be restrained though, for the purpose of your education or care. You have COVID-19. You dey run mental sometimes. Or you are addicted to drugs or alcohol. Your movement can be restrained for the purpose of your own care, treatment, or even protection of the community. If you are to be deported, expelled, extradited, or you are to be restrained from entering the country, your movement can be restrained. But the fact that I said earlier that the police can arrest and detain you does not mean that they can do anyhow. If the police arrests you, the police must charge you to a court within 24 hours of your arrest. Number two, the police must inform you in writing and in the language that you understand the reason and the facts of your arrest. No be me talk am, is there in your constitution. Omoyami, if you have been arrested and detained for an offense, you cannot be kept in custody for a period longer than the punishment of that offense. If the police arrest you and for one reason or the other they did not charge you to court within 2 months of your arrest, you must be released either conditionally or unconditionally. Omoyami, the constitution guarantees that if you are unlawfully arrested and detained, you shall be entitled to compensation and public apology from the appropriate authorities. Now, your case is different if the reason you are arrested or detained is for murder charges or any capital offense charges. All these exceptions will not apply to you. Omoyami, it cannot be overemphasized that if you feel that your right has been violated or is being violated, you consult with your lawyer so that you will be adequately represented. Omo, I don't tire. I hope you got something from this episode this week. Ashiri. Peace.